I went to NAB today and I got my hands on the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Check this out.
Oh, I see something. I like that brand. Oh, holy monkey shit. Yes. I want to touch all of you. Alright guys, I just saw something really cool at the Zhiyun booth. This is actually the Smooth 4. Look at how beefy this thing is. It's got like this full TV style remote with the focus wheel. This thing's absolutely amazing. And it's got the tripod built into it on the bottom with a dual trigger on the back. Super, super nice. And check out this pricing. $139 for the black and $159 for the white. This kind of puts the one I have to shame. So I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know how it is. Alright guys, so I have this thing completely on the gimbal right now. It's a little bit wonky in selfie mode. Here, let me flip this around. Now this probably has an app that you can use for it, so I'm actually recording on the gimbal right now. So anywhere I go, you know, it'll be nice and smooth, so even when I'm walking, you won't have that bouncy up and down jitter. I'm gonna try not to walk too far away with it because these guys might tackle me. But as far as I see right now, it's really, really nice. The wheel is super efficient, the handle's big, but it's comfortable. Like, it kind of fits in your hand naturally. I really, really like this product. All right, guys, so here's the gimbal. Really, really smooth panning, up and down, great movement. It actually, the weight of it feels super good in my hand. Like, I'm really liking just the heft of it.
I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Here's a little clip from Zhiyun of the actual product video. It's really dope. So I hope you guys found this informative. If you liked it, please leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. See you later.